Hello, welcome to this video. We're looking at Cami. So Cami is available as a Chrome extension, or you can just go to web.camihq.com and then you can log in with your Office or Google account. So I'm using the Chrome extension. So to get that, we simply go to the Chrome store. Choose extensions. And then we can search for Cami there. And then you can simply click add to Chrome. Mine says remove to Chrome because I've already added it. And then when we've got open up Cami, this is what we'll see. We can open files from various locations: Google Drive, OneDrive, your computer, or the Cami library. You can create a new blank page or a classroom assignment in Google Classroom. And you've got the ability to convert documents so you can make them editable using text recognition, or you can pull together, maybe you've got a number of different PDFs, you can pull them together and mix and match, or you could do the same with their templates. So let's look at let's look at split and merge to start with. So what we can do is we can drag something from my desktop, so I can include that. I may have another PDF, let's add that. So I've got a number of different things that I've got. I can then click next, and I could pick out, so for example, I'm preparing an assignment. I may want to include specific criteria, or maybe a unit, so I can go through and find the relevant page I want. And what's really nice is I can simply just drag and drop the bits I want in place. I can rotate them as I see fit, but you get the idea. So I can really, a great way for editing a PDF. When I'm happy with that, I can hold on my Mac the Command key, and then I can export just by clicking export here. So I can export those. I can download files, or I can open in Cami, OneDrive, or Google Drive. So I'm going to open Cami and continue. So that's how we can use it to modify a PDF and to merge PDFs together. So we've now got those elements there. This opens now in Cami, and it just shows you the sort of annotation tools available. So we can add a text box. So I could add some more labels. And I can use the select to maneuver that where I want it to be. I've got shapes, so it could be I can insert a line as well. So very quickly I could take maybe a drawing and make it into label the object activity. I've got the option to add media, so I can, from my computer, from my camera, from Google Drive, I can do a Google search for images, I could add a YouTube video, or I could add some sort of graphic organizer or sticker. So I can edit this as I see fit. If we scroll down, at the moment it's just a flat document. However, if you want to, you can ensure that it is recognizes the text. So you can come up to the three dots by your initials and you can choose text recognition. When you do that, it wants you to upload it to OneDrive or Google Drive. So I'll choose Google Drive. Having used the text recognition feature, I can then go in and I can use either the markup or the comment feature. So for example, with markup here, I can choose a color, and there's a whole raft of different colors, and I can go through and just mark up the different components within that. So when it comes to assessing student work, it's a great way to be able to do that, or whether you're just doing some research yourself, it's a great way just to mark up a document. So you could be collaborating with colleagues. And you can see if I click on to the bit I've selected, I could add a voice note as well, or I could copy that. So you've got some functionality there. I could underline an element as well. If we go to comment, just as you find in other sort of editing documents, it wants me to actually select that bit and then go to comment, and I can add a comment, and I can choose that to be a voice comment, so I can use voice typing. Just allow my microphone, and let's do that again. Now it should start to type for me, and you can see. So when it comes to feedback, I can see this being really good, a really quick way to provide students with feedback. And just stop that. I can also add a text box, so I could type some feedback in there. Again, I've got the option to listen back to what I've written, which is kind of nice, or I can delete that. So you've got lots of useful features there. It's also got, if I select that, get it right, I can use the read aloud feature. So I could see it being a really useful addition to a student's toolkit, in that they could use it to have PDFs read to them. I could see it being used by a teacher as a way of annotating and providing feedback to a document, or it could be used by a student as part of research, and you've got that ability to go in and select, edit, add comments. You've also got the function which I highlighted right at the start of the video, where you can bring together different documents and reorganize the pages in them. So I think it's a real useful addition to your toolkit. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.